out here. And my brother-in-law here, act like he gonna catch something, ain't gonna catch nothing before me. And then I got my nephew on this side. He might as well jump in the lake. So this is day one. We here at night. We'll be a couple of hours. I'll check back with y'all later. As you can see, my nephew caught this one. See this little thing out of my hand? He kept it. So I'm gonna make sure he kept this little bitty fish that we don't can't do. You see my fingertips? They didn't want to. I don't know why he kept it. That. But then I think he caught this one. Or did Monty catch this one?
No, I caught that.
Oh, my sister caught this other little bitty fish.
But I caught 3 though.
Now Monty said he caught 5. Now how did she catch 3?
No.
This fish is like, you see how I threw my fingers
Monty said he put his 5 back too. So you just telling the story now?
You see this little bitty fish?
So that one is DJ's.
She talking about this little fish he caught.
DJ caught the first big one.
Hey, wait, I don't see no big ones in here.
Move that. What's that right there? Yeah, DJ caught that.
What, this?
Yeah, DJ, because it was orange, and then I caught that middle size, and then I had a little one from the baby.
Oh, and DJ caught this big fish.
Yeah, after I did all that work,
which is actually 5 inches wide.
DJ,
but she's claiming to talk about this fish.
Your fish 5 inches wide. I told you
yeah, and then Carrie Lynn caught this. See how it fits in my hand? My sister caught this. They didn't want. They want to show the fish he caught. Oh, and we got 3 catfish here.
Right, but it ain't. It's what?
So we have another catfish that we caught. As you can see, all this stuff fits in the palm of my hands. And they were gonna actually throw them away. I'm gonna put them on ice for so I can kill them.
You gonna throw them away? You not gonna keep the bags?
Yeah, some kills. I said. See how these fish fit in my hand?
I don't care. That's why he lying. He recording.
What?
He talking about you recording. I'm like, no,
yeah.
He lying.
This another one he caught. See that? There's all they fish. They didn't want to keep them or record it. I wouldn't either, because as y'all can see, the only real fish that's been caught is mine, and I have to actually bag up. See how it doesn't fit in my hand? See how my brother walk away? See the actually fish that you can actually eat? That's the fish I caught. You know, that's the only one. I threw my little ones back. They kept there, so I'm gonna take their little ones home and eat it.
You only caught the biggest fish, nigga, because I brought the pole.
Now we on our way to do the paddle boat. Right. Don't wave. All right, this is day 2.
Day 2.
Or 3, I don't know. I got them all confused. Oh, this is day 3.
That's day 3.
Yeah, day
Right,
3.
this is day 3, so if I didn't take all the pictures I was supposed to, whatever it is, I'm about to go on this paddle boat down. What's wrong with it?
The side of the boat broke.
For real?
You strong ass, Jim.
Huh?
Yeah, this one ain't this.
You want to go back?
Of the boat broke. The oar is just in this mug.
Oh, we need to go back and get you a new
We need to
one.
do what?
We gotta swap it out. This side, that oar on this side don't work like that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, that one didn't have no water in it.
I know.
And I thought Carrie Lynn was coming, so I messed that up because I thought Carrie Lynn was coming. And naturally, she did not come. And I sat there and told Martin to swap it out, so that was my fault. But we made it out.
Yeah, you
Need a
did
rope.
it, babe. You got it from me.
See that?
Water wet myself
Boat
up,
ain't
so
gonna tip
hot.
over.
I don't care. I can swim.
Babe, I'm just saying, everybody think because
Oh,
it
yeah.
moves.
Now, you're right about
I'm
that.
showing
'cause
you what it's going.
I
Right,
thought like
babe.
if I lean too far,
All right,
it'll
the
tip
boat-
over. Yep.
All right, that's what I'm showing you. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. We just dropped the camp, boats off for a minute. These losers are tired. They are pitifully out of shape. Look at them. So we had to drop the boats off for a couple of hours for take a 30-minute break. They catching all these baby fish, and they jinxed me from yesterday because I ain't caught nothing with some baby fish like them.
Gotta start somewhere.
So now I got to wait, come out there for 1 more hour and throw it in the line because it might be done. Because he can't nobody roll but me.
I'm a rower.
Oh, with his feet hurt. He didn't roll, but his feet hurt. His back hurt. Then he got my foot hurting. I was all right till they got out the boat. I don't know how I ain't turning back around. I ain't phone savvy.
Who was that?
Let me see if I can back up. If I can get him in the picture.
Oh, sure.
Hey, let me see. Hey, let me see if I can back up so I can get him in the picture.
Right, yeah. Go back farther, babe.
Watch your angles.
Baby, that'll be it.
I want to trip over this shit.
Hey, I don't know how I ain't good. I turn it that way. I usually turn.
Yeah.
I usually turn it that way.
You always gotta be playing.
Look, he's talking about see how you. Yep, we way to the ham.
We put the husk over here.
They gotta do that. So there. Jackass took a picture of me and then take a picture of my head. I'm gonna take a picture of my own head, figure it out myself. It's alright. It's alright, cool. Go right now.
It's gonna change. Everything's gonna change.
Yesterday, me and my brother-in-law cooked a bunch of ribs, hamburgers, brats. Didn't nobody record us for the stuff we did.
I
So
was just thinking like, damn, we ain't thinking.
I say, but now we did the crab fest with a bunch of lobster, crab, mussels, and all good stuff. I'm gonna come back with at least record it. But me and my brother-in-law cooked steaks and all, and the ribs and the hamburgers, and we didn't get it recorded. And the funny part is I had so much meat left and so much on this cooler that I still got here. Oh, this is our yurt. And I almost messed up and take a picture. How the setup is. Set up like this. I had forgot he was even here in the dang place. And I took my stuff out. Everybody took their stuff out but me. I got all my stuff hanging up. Everybody done broke camp. Got my bag, my stuff. It's the queen size bed. It's my side. Got the ceiling fan in the yard. Nice setup. This is for the bougie stuff. For the bougie people. You come on this side. Oh. He still got their stuff set up. I don't know what they gonna do. So I was like DJ and boy stuff. up. Look outside the window. Set up. I forgot the chair set up. Table. Some more table and chair. Another table and chair. Like I said, that's the big queen size bed. Another area. My shit all over the floor. Trying to clean that up. Got the other 4 bunks on the other side. I came in here with the air conditioning. I came in here and didn't even take it. I don't know what I was thinking about. And the other 4 bunks. This the other cabin we had. I'm sitting there. This towards the end of it. I'm sitting here waiting. I don't know why I didn't take the cabin and stuff. Oh, because all the females is in here. We got the porch and all that stuff hooked up with the bed. Alright. Everybody was so stuck and happy with the yurt. We got a little bit of cabin. This we what? He say right to hit me back. I took me forever to do the setup. I ain't think about it. It's the last day of it, last night. And it's the first time I took the pictures of the cabin.
I figure y'all take them, I get some of the food.
Right now. Because I ain't gonna get a chance to do it. I'm riding the trails. Got fire there. The other fire. We can see. Hear me. Hopefully puffing like a motherfucker. This trail is long and it's steep. And my damn ass ain't bring no water. Back to it. I do it. Let's see what this shit says. Out on the rest of it. I know your ass. Remember, Cat Williams said, your leg side, my leg side. Polar Tink Tink. You ain't quite right, which people think they are. And they got a trail with some shit steep. You are fucked up. Time to clean up, about to go. See, I got my baby. She low on the truck up the rest of the way. This last green mile walk. She's about to fall out. This is it. Figured out everything we're gonna do to the mud. Finishing it up.